Today guys, I got a really simple, easy build for you. We're gonna be making a DIY towel holder. Let's get into it. First thing as always, throw on them safety glasses. Now guys, the only thing you're gonna need for this build wood-wise are these little square dowels from Home Depot or Lowe's. So that's all you need. All you need is 4 of them. So saying that, our next step is going to be measuring out our pieces to 4 inches. We need 4 pieces at 4 inches here. Put it there. Got that little speed square. Put your mark, and we're gonna head to the miter saw and cut 4 of these out. All right, guys, you already know the deal. We're gonna make that first cut. Use that first cut to mark out all the other ones. We need 4 of them. All right, guys, now that you got your 4 pieces at 4 inches, we're gonna set them to the side. Now we need to measure out a 9-inch piece and make 2 cuts at 9 inches. Same thing with the last thing. We're just gonna use that first cut to give us that line for our second one. Made that cut. All right, guys, so now that we got all of our cuts finished, we got our 4 4-inch pieces, our 2 9-inch pieces, it's time to assemble this bad boy. Like I said, this is a very simple, easy build. It would be a great first build if you're a beginner. It's that simple. So now we're just gonna take our square dowels that we haven't even cut them, so they're just straight from the store. And these are gonna be on here just like this. So we're gonna attach them like that on all the ends of each of these dowels. So we are going to do that right now using wood glue and brad nails. Now guys, after we got our 4-inch pieces attached, this is what it should be looking like if you're following along. The next step is we are going to flip this bad boy over, just like this. And you're going to take your 9-inch pieces, put a little bit of glue on them, and we're going to brad nail them just like that on each end. Let's get to it. Alright guys, and just like that, the construction of this build is now complete. We are just letting the glue dry. And as that glue dries, it gives us a chance to talk about, we have a new membership thing now. It's called Kevin's VIP Club. If you're interested in joining, it would mean a lot. Help support the channel, help the builds we want to do, getting these big builds and stuff. Yeah, we'd really appreciate it. So we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to get into sanding. Alright guys, now that we're finished sanding up the piece up to 220, everything's looking good. I'm pretty sure I got all the glue off and everything. We are going to stain it with American Walnut wood stain. We're going to give her a good shake and get the stain. Alright guys, so the staining is now done. We're just waiting for it to dry a little bit. Unfortunately, I don't have nowhere to hang it right now, so I can't show you in use, but I will show you how it works. Let me put on some gloves real quick. Alright guys, now that I got my gloves on, I can touch it because like I said, it's still a little bit damp. But how you would use this is you would roll up your towels. This right here would go on your wall. It's going to look a little off like this, but just like that. And you would, like I said, roll up your towels and stick them in this way and stack them up. So like I said, it's actually a really good build. If you're looking to sell this build, I can show you a picture on Etsy. I found one. It's selling for like $55 or something like that. I'll put that up now. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, very simple, quick, easy. Like I said, would be a great first project for somebody just getting into woodworking. Like I said, you might be able to make a little bit of money with it. So awesome. Like I said, guys, we do have a new membership program now. You get like all types of perks. You get like a badge showing how long you've been in the VIP club. You get special emojis that I created. It's like pictures of me, stands for different stuff. You can look all in the details, but if you're interested in that, right there beside the subscribe button, there should be a join. Hit that, sign up for it. Like I said, we'll much appreciate it. It really help us out with doing these bigger builds and stuff that we want to get into. Little sneak peek, I'm really planning on building a wooden hot tub soon. So that is in the books. But right now, like I said, one of the things for being a new member is you get member shout outs. So let me go and find them real quick so I can shout them out. All right, guys, so like I said, right now we got 3 members. Shout out to Joshua. Appreciate you, brother. Much love to you. Big Hilda. Much love to you, man. Means a lot. And Into the Wild. Also, Into the Wild, he actually has a YouTube channel. He does like hunting and outdoor stuff, so I'll leave his link in the description if you want to check out his channel. Go show him some love. But yeah, man, I really appreciate y'all. Like I said, it means a lot, and welcome to the club. But other than that, guys, appreciate everybody coming in, hanging out with us today. Like usual, we finished the project. Looks great. So if you're new here, like I said, smash that sub button, press that like button, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.